Welcome back, guys, to another FX setup. My name is Damir Galch from good old Germany, and welcome again to our financial markets FX setup. Meanwhile, it's Friday, the 5th April 2013, 2 o'clock 43 in the morning Central European time, and I wanna give you a setup about the oil future, crude light. Daily contract I've got here, and we see here on a daily chart a great constructive upside trend. So all in all, the basic or the main reason why I'm choosing this is this one. Look at this, lows in July by $70. Then we've got here this great during October, November, December here the support. Then in February once again, and meanwhile it seems like that we are coming back and perhaps create through Friday or next week perhaps a turnaround once again. Interesting or important is following stuff. Look at this, guys. A, B, C wave. And here we see D failed, and the question is, of course, until yet. Here in January, bang, in December, 1, 2, 3, free beers if you want, free tubs, and the question is, of course, will we come back? All in all, I would still prefer the long side in oil, and here and would take here the price around about 91.77 is something like an front line, how to say in English, I would use. So prices above 91.77 I would prefer as prices above I would prefer as long entry. Prices under 91.77 I would switch into the, how to say in English, bearish mode. Yes, bearish mode. But let's go a little bit more into detail. So we see here the 5-minute chart, oil future of this week, and we see here this this heavy come down yesterday and the day before. This week here from around about 98 to 91, and we closed Thursday trading session by 93.45. So I want to give you a setup during Friday, and perhaps if we are in the money next week again, or through next week too. So okay, here we are. Here we go. We see the 5-minute chart once again here, and here with the high and lows of this month and last month. An interesting fact is following. We see here the highs of last month, the highs of this month. That's the big resistance if you want. So, and here the support is even the lows of this month or even of this week. Interesting in this context is here the mid price of last month. We are trading, or we closed to on Thursday trading session round about it, so a little bit above. Exactly, the mid price of last month is 93.33, so 11 cents under the Thursday closed. Thursday closed, yes. Okay. However, interesting, or the target is. So all in all, I would prefer the long side, as I said, and prices here between 93, 92, and even this weekly or monthly lows 92.13. I would prefer here this yellow box as a long entry. Target is 94.12. First, second, 94.82, and perhaps tomorrow or during Friday session and next week, then perhaps we can work or trade here the downside trend line of this week. So So I would high speculative and as a contrarian prefer the long side during Friday, trying to catch prices here in this box between 93, 92 and 92.13. So very big range, 180 pips more or less, and even trade for an outbreak at least to 94.16 and perhaps 94.82 during Friday or even next week. That's all, guys, from today for today and this week. Have a great morning, day or night wherever you are, and have a much better weekend. And next week I will give you daily FX setups. FX setups, yes. Oh, it's very late. Okay, bye bye, guys. Have a great trading day. Stay aware, take care, stay green, and I will talking to you next week once again. Bye bye.